Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bitbucket for code repositories, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Bitbucket website. Click on the sign up button if you do not have an account. If you already have an account, click on login. Fill in the necessary information to create your new account. Choose your desired plan based on your requirements. Once logged in, locate the Repositories section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Repository button. Select the repository type, either Git or Mercurial. Name your repository according to your project's needs. Choose your visibility setting, either public or private. You can add an optional description. Decide whether you want to include a README file. Click on the Create Repository button to proceed. Now, you will see your new repository dashboard. Follow the instructions provided to clone your repository to your local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type in the command displayed on the Bitbucket page, replacing the URL with your repository URL. Press Enter to clone your repository. Navigate to the cloned repository directory using the command line. Create or copy your project files into the clone directory. Use Git commands to add, commit, and push your files back to Bitbucket. After pushing your changes, go back to the Bitbucket repository page. You should see your newly added files reflected in the repository's file list. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up Bitbucket for your code repositories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.